My name is Tygarlily, and today I'm going to show you how I make Cloud Strife's Bustasword. This tutorial will show you how to use EVA Foam and how to prime in preparation for painting. Step 1. Make your pattern. I personally like making my pattern by hand, so I can adjust when I need to. Now cut out your pattern so we can transfer it to EVA Foam. Our next step is preparing EVA foam and cutting out the pattern. I get my EVA foam from Harbor Frieghts. It's about $8 to $10. I had to connect the tiles together using DAP's Weldwood contact cement. Breaking the surface of the EVA foam will help the glue. I use 3M's Super 77 adhesive spray for big jobs like this. Hey! More breaking the surface. It takes 15 minutes for the glue to dry. Ploop! Draw the shape of the blade on the double-layered EVA foam using the pattern you made. Cutting out the pattern, I used a hot wire cutter. Time to add the PVC pipe. PVC pipe will prevent the sword from warping. I used a 1/2-inch PVC pipe for my handle and reinforcement of the sword. I used contact glue to put it in place. Let the glue dry overnight, and then it's ready for shaping. Please wear proper safety equipment when you use power tools. Detailing the sword, a step I know you have been waiting for. Using my pattern again, I cut out layers of 4mm EVA foam from TNT Cosplay. Before gluing, I expose the surfaces by sanding for ultimate stickability. I drew out the finer details and used 2mm EVA foam from TNT Cosplay. Now it's time to prime the sword in preparation for painting. I like to use plastic dip as my primer for foam preps. I make small strokes and apply 3 total layers. Make sure you're in a ventilated place when you use it. 1 layer every 30 minutes. Let the sword dry and it will be ready for painting. I'd like to make a shout out to the Savage Phantoms out there. Mindman Joker, Hidden Tomato, and Diddy Shadow. Thank you so much for everything.